Rolling down the highway, I'm feeling free. PJ Trailers got what I need from me. Utility or don't, just take your pick. We're working hard, no need for a trick. Loading up for landscaping jobs we start. Construction dreams we build from the heart. Hauling heavy equipment, making it right. Our trailers shining bright against the night. PJ Trailers Canada, we've got it all. For every task, big or small. From tilts to flat deck covers and more, we're the ones you're looking for. Enclosed to keep your treasures safe. Flat deck covers got that sturdy grace. Transporting goods from here to there. With PJ Trailers, none can compare.